Hello, dear. Where are you now?
Hi, I am stuck near the city road.
Is the traffic very bad there?
Yes, cars are not moving much.
Did you move forward now?
Only a little. The road is full.
Please drive safely in the rain.
Yes, I am being very careful.
Are you feeling okay now?
Yes, but I am a bit tired.
Did you cross the signal?
No, I am still waiting here.
Can you use another street?
I tried, but it is also crowded.
Everyone is waiting for you at home.
I know. I will come as fast as I can.
Is the rain getting stronger?
Yes, the weather is very bad now.
Is traffic moving better now?
Yes, slowly it is getting better.
Please don't drive too fast.
Don't worry, I am driving slowly.
Did you pass the supermarket?
Yes, I crossed it just now.
We are waiting at the door.
Great! I will reach in a few minutes.
I can hear many vehicle sounds.
Yes, the whole road is noisy.
Are you near the house now?
Yes, I can see our street now.
Okay, I will open the gate.
Perfect. I am parking the car.
Welcome back home.
Thank you so much.